Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Day 25. And Day 25 are to my amazing life learning for my 500 day challenge of my life. And how can I change my life with my dream, my vision board? Why? Because my 500 day to change every day, every new thoughts are applying my life. Okay, I join a gym and other one I join AI classes and my personal tuition classes. At that time, full growth in your mind life or decided my 500 challenge of human life. And one day, 500, one day I express my this day which one our dream are complete and which one are not complete. That is the my motivational, my internal motivational, and the time my personal growth decided as physics, as my income, my YouTube journey, and everyone are to decide only for in this page and with a evidence. That is my life change in this your day. So literally, I one day coming up a next level physics, and I may start one day. You are a new beginning of your life. You are achieve your dream. Why? Because your every dream, everyone are in your eye, in your front of side. For example, in a one dream, to front of side of a physic, front of side of your is money as a income. That is the change of your my life. And thank you so much. Day 25, I to be continue upload my 500 day challenge of your my life. Okay, thank you so much, dear. You be continue and YouTube journey is a life learning journey. Thank you so much, dear.